Beautiful, beautiful. Sunny afternoon, September 19th, 2015, and look at over this way. Look what's coming in off the lake. I think there's something happening. And this wind is going to take these beautiful leaves off before too long. Let's look at. So nice we get a peek at the lake from our front yard. Here comes the rain. My hubby, before he gets soaked. Hurry, hurry, hurry. So nice we have this little deck where we're fairly sheltered from. My battery's going to give out in a minute. This storm is coming in from an unusual direction.
And there's even a mushroom there. Look at that. Look at that mushroom.
Mushrooms!
Shaggy mane over there. The other kind over there.
This is shaggy mane, hubby says.